Chico Bon-Bon, follow that dog. Chico Bon-Bon has a surprise for his friends. He upgraded their old couch. Now it has special features for Clark, Rainbow Thunder, Tiny, and Chico too. This couch is now multifunctional. Say multi-functional. Chico says. Multi what? Clark asks. Multi means many. A function is what something does. Rainbow Thunder explains. Multifunctional means our couch can do many things. Ring, ring, it's the banana phone. Elton John, the famous singer, needs help. His dog, Bernie, keeps wiggling out of his leash. Can the fix-it force fix the problem? The fix-it force and Bernie go on a walk. Oh no! Bernie wiggles loose. They find Bernie drinking water. He is thirsty. Rainbow Thunder suggests a longer leash, but Bernie wiggles loose again. They find him at a doggy day spa. He wants a massage. Clark suggests a less slippery leash. Chico builds one out of rope. Bernie wiggles loose again. He wants to listen to some cool music. Oh no! It is almost time for Elton John to return, but nothing is working. It is time to calm down and take a banana break. Blazing bananas, Chico says. He has an idea. Maybe Bernie would not wiggle out of his leash if he had everything he likes. Just like their multifunctional couch, Bernie needs a multifunctional leash. The fix-it force snips and screws a new leash together. The leash has everything Bernie wants. It has a water cup, plays cool music, and massages his back. It even has a doggy mic, so he can sing along with Elkin. Now, Bernie will never want to leave his leash again. Thank you, Elton John says. Science and teamwork save the day. Multifunctional objects are everywhere, just like the fix-it force's couch and Bernie's new leash. A multifunctional object is a gadget that can do many things. Cell phones have many functions like calling, texting, taking photos, and gaming. Cars have many functions too, like driving, playing music, cooling, and heating. But not all multifunctional objects are high-tech. Jackets keep you warm and carry things in their pockets. Some sofas can turn into beds too. Can you think of any other examples? If you can invent any multifunctional object, what functions would it have? Thank you very much for joining me today in reading Chico Bon-Bon, Follow That Dog. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.